guys, so my name is Juhi Chawla and in this video I'm going to talk about my favorite brand Faces Canada. So I absolutely love Faces Canada and have been using this brand from past I think almost 5 years now. So today I'm going to talk about Faces Canada Ultime Pro Intense Gel Kajal, and I must say that I am absolutely in love with this kajal. I love all their products, but this, oh my god, I have been using it from last I guess 15 days and I am loving it, guys. So basically it says smudge proof, waterproof, intense color, whatever is written on it, it is absolutely true. It is like intense color. I'll just show you. I'll obviously apply it, and as you can see I have not applied any lip shade or I have not done my eyes. Except the lip shade and eyes, I have done everything on my face. So something is missing. I'll definitely finish it. MRP of this particular kajal is $549. I think it's quite affordable and like according to the quality, it's absolutely worth every penny. So now I'm going to show you its packaging. So guys, this is how it looks like. Now as you can see that on one side there it's kajal and on this side it's a smudging brush. So as you can see, this is a smudging brush, so you don't have to buy any separate smudging brush to smudge your liners. Guys, also it comes with a sharpener. It's absolutely free of cost. It comes in the box only. So you are getting 3 things at just $549. So can you believe it? One, a kajal, that to be such an amazing kajal. Second thing, a smudging brush, and third is a sharpener. So now I'm going to create a very beautiful, let's see how it actually turns out. So I'm going to create smoky eyes and with this particular kajal. So let's get started. Wow, look at the intensity of this kajal, guys. So I'm going to apply this all over my lid, and it's not that clean, thoda messy kiya hai, so that's all right, because in the end we need to smudge it, and I'm using the smudging brush which was on the other side of this kajal, and it glides so well. I am loving it. Now I'm just blending it, because guys, trust me, blending is the key. So you just need to blend it really well, and I have taken very light pink color. You can take any color similar to that, and I have blended it with the kajal. I have again applied the kajal to give it a very intense look, and it's done. Now I'm going to do the same thing on my other eye as well, and I have taken the same kajal and I am applying it on my lid. It's not so clean as I have told you earlier. Now I'm just going to smudge it and blend. So guys, it's my request that while watching this video, quickly go and do subscribe to my channel. If you like the look in the end, okay, then do like this video as well. And now I'm applying the same kajal on my waterline, and I'm just going to smudge it and blend it with the same pink color. So guys, as you can see, I have created this beautiful smoky eyes. Now I'm going to do mascara, lashes, and also my lip shade, and I'll be back within a second. This is the final look with lashes, with lipstick, and you know that this whole smoky eye look is created by only Faces Canada Ultime Pro Intense Gel Kajal. So guys, this is my review and my feedback that it's a must-have product, and you can apply it on your lower lash line, smudge it, you can do smoky eye, you can do so much with this one single kajal. Well, that's all for my review of this particular product. Thank you so much for watching.